This plastic strapping tool is used to tighten strapping around a package. The tape width is up to 32 millimeters, and one charge is enough for approximately 370 shipments. The fact that this model employs welding rather than seals is an advantage. There is also a fully automatic tension adjustment version available. The tool weighs 6.5 kilograms with the battery, but the manufacturer has worked on the balance so that you can work comfortably in any position. And the brushless motor ensures quiet operation and long life without overheating. The self-adjusting version costs $4,000. More than 6 million of them were used to construct one of the world's largest steel arch bridges, the Sydney Harbour Bridge. And if you wear jeans, you see them almost every day. While bolts and welding are more commonly used in construction projects, rev tools are still being produced and in demand. On the screen, you can see a German ratchet tool for working with rivet nuts from M6 to M12 made of steel and aluminum. These tools were developed in response to the wishes of professional painters, and they did an excellent job considering the amount of construction work in various countries. The multi-tool will come in handy for opening cans or boxes, cleaning paint rollers, and removing old paint. The blade will solve many problems, and the second version of the tool includes a putty knife and a locking mechanism to prevent accidental folding. It's no coincidence that the manufacturer sends 20 million different tools to 15 different countries each year. Our selection continues with a no less useful attachment that makes working with ground rods easier. The thing is that the human body easily conducts electricity, and many specialists must work with tools and equipment that accumulate an electrical charge if they do not have grounding. So grounding is a very important safety measure. The attachment allows you to drive the rods quickly, neatly, and precisely at 2 or 2.5 centimeters above ground level. And it works perfectly with many chat cameras thanks to the hex jank. Interestingly, the designers were able to obtain a patent, which may explain the price of around $240. Cable specialists haven't been idle either. Here's a battery-powered hydraulic cutting tool capable of handling aluminum or copper cables up to 20 millimeters in diameter. Use the remote control to cut time ranges from 2 to 8 seconds. Along with the battery, the tool weighs only 2 kilograms. By the way, you can choose both the Bosch or a Makita battery. The former takes 15 minutes to charge, and the IPRES app will collect data during operation, and then compile a report in a PDF format. You can check it yourself or send it to a client. In both home repairs and large commercial projects, lighting issues frequently arise, disrupting the schedule. In such cases, the Japanese company Makita offers a battery-powered light that can work for 3 to 10 hours depending on the brightness settings. It is less than 8 kilograms in weight and folds for easy transportation. The height can be adjusted from 1.2 to 2.2 meters to illuminate a larger area with a single white light. Additionally, the model can be used outside because it can be easily attached to the ground with pegs. Furthermore, the smart system remembers the last brightness setting, allowing the light to be safely turned off, for example, during a lunch break. All of these features are priced at $454 USD. It will assist you in quickly determining what is inside your walls. This scanner can detect metals such as copper, steel, and aluminum, as well as wood, plastic, and shielded cables. Everything it discovers will be displayed on a 4-inch color display. Concrete, wood, plasterboard, and cinder blocks are among the operating modes. The detection depth can reach up to 18 centimeters, and the accuracy can reach up to 4.7 millimeters. There is a built-in guide laser and lighting for convenience, and one charge will last for approximately 28 hours. Additionally, the scanner is compact and weighs 1.4 kilograms, making it easy to hold with one hand. This Japanese product will set you back $1,322 USD. He is an expert in accessories and custom projects with Glock pistols, and once had a conversation with a big fan of the Milwaukee company. The large American manufacturer has been in business since 1924, And is well known for its power tools, it's no surprise that they have a solid fan base, so the expert took a 9mm Glock 34 pistol and customized it in the signature style. It's time for the Americans at Nemo Power Tools to step up. They manufacture the world's first and only cordless underwater tools. It all started with orders for scientific and governmental organizations, and later they designed models for ordinary customers as well. In particular, this reciprocating saw is a great choice for depths up to 50 meters, but you'll have to pause your work because you can only cut for 5 minutes continuously. But the saw weighs 2.9 kilograms and has a speed of up to 3,000 strokes per minute. The seller suggests on the screen a roller for working with floor coverings such as linoleum and vinyl to relieve back strain. The goal is to ensure complete contact between the adhesive compound and the floor. The range includes models weighing up to 45 kilograms, ensuring that even thick and dense linoleum is properly installed and does not warp even in high-traffic areas. The manufacturer promises excellent balance, ensuring even gluing and easy maneuvering. Some models have removable pivoting legs with wheels. These are useful if the work is done in multiple areas at once and the roller must be constantly moved. The 34-kilogram model costs $285. The seller writes, "We believe them, but just in case, let's look at the specs for $49. They promise easy adjustments at 35, 65, 68, 74, 76, and 83mm diameter neat-oriented strand bores plasterboard and soft wood, and weighs 180 grams. You can install light fixtures, sockets, and switches using a drill and a screwdriver. The 2 hex included in the set will simplify the adjustment, resulting in fewer unnecessary breaks. Buyers are pleased because the saw takes up little space but is extremely useful.